I think that my client has been crucified by the media at this point.
The attorney for the mid-school teacher accused of raping one of her students asks a judge for reduced bond and asks reporters to back off. Good evening. The lawyer for that mid-school teacher who told police she had sex with a 13-year-old student tried today to paint her as a victim.
The teacher faced a judge, and while she didn't say much, her lawyer certainly did. News 13's Crystal Gutierrez is in the Newsplex with what happened in court.
Jessica, you could hardly hear the former teacher as she acknowledged the judge's orders, stay away from the victim. The former middle school teacher barely uttered a word today.
Kristy Sanchez-Trujillo.
As Metro Court Judge Kevin Fitzwater gave her strict orders.
You're not to return to the location, I'm talking about the school, or the address, the alleged victim, you understand?
Police say 33-year-old Kristy Sanchez-Trujillo admitted to having sex with a 13-year-old boy. She taught social studies at Jimmy Carter Middle School. He was her student. According to a criminal complaint, she picked up the boy twice from his home, took him to the movies, then out to the petroglyphs where they had sex. She told police it was their spot. Police say she not only admitted to the crimes, she told them the boy was, quote, more experienced than any man she's had sex with, and that the sex was, quote, loving and caring. Yet her attorney says she, too, is a victim.
I think that my client has been crucified by the media at this point. I think it's time for the Justice Department or the state of New Mexico to take its course with regard to the criminal justice system.
Today, the judge decided she could stay out of jail after peering into the teacher's past.
Anything in her history that makes me want to reconsider the bond in this amount?
No, Your Honor, Ms. Sanchez-Trujillo has no criminal history.
She posted that bond yesterday after spending a night in jail. Today, Sanchez-Trujillo left the courtroom without saying a word. Then police whisked her off to a waiting elevator. According to Metro Court spokesperson Janet Blair, the courts requested the additional security because of all the media coverage. They wanted to get her in and out of the courtroom with minimal interference to other court business going on. Blair said in no way is the court giving her extra protection. Jessica.
Okay, Crystal, Sanchez-Trujillo's rape case will be turned over to the district attorney, where it will be decided whether to take it to the grand jury. APS fired her Wednesday, the day she was arrested.
There is a meeting tonight for Jimmy Carter mid-school parents. In fact, it'll start shortly. It's being held in the school library at 6 o'clock. School officials will answer parents' questions and listen to their concerns.